you so much. Thank you so much for watching. So much dirty. Oh my god. Ah, yo. Hello everyone. Thank you for watching. Getting big for again. Thank you for watching everyone. Thank you. Thank you 1,000,000. Thank you. Hope you like. Thank you for the likes. Thank you guys. Thank you for the likes. Sir James. Hi Sir James. So dirty. How are you? Thank you 20 people in the house. Oh, you okay? I'm fine. Thank you, Sir James. I'm always fine. Some people piss me off and some are judge me. My God, you see bad things for me, like calling me off. Oh my God, it's terrible. How's it they that see that to me? Calling me like, oh he didn't know me. So that's why I don't understand why people something like that. That's why it's really hard for me to trust, uh, because something like that. It's terrible. Terrible. Thank you 25. Thank you. Hope you like, guys. Thank you. Thank you, 31 people in the house. How are you? Where are you from? Thank you to those who hit the likes. Thanks so much. Khalid Marco. Hello, Khalid. Thank you. The happiest person is the one who endorses you. Oh, what? What it means? Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Taking a bird. Huh? What? No. Raisin all that. No. 41 people. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Lots of mosquito bites. Look. From the mosquito bites. Oh my god. The deadly fan. Huh? Okay. That's your opinion. Oh my god. Deadly fan. Thank you so much. 37 people in the house. Sir James, the April young lady full of cake. Sir James. Hi, Mystic Mirage. Thank you, Mystic Mirage. Oh my god. Thank you, 46 people in the house. Likes, thank you for the likes, Sir James. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, 49 people in the house. Thank you so much. Hi. Sorry, can I get a smile from you, Miss Sheryl? I want to smile, but I have a Bluetooth. So that's why my smile is something like that. But I try to positive even if it's one. Thank you, Sir Derek Johns. Hope you like. Thank you. See you later, alligator, after a while. Crocodile, bless you. Alligator, crocodile, alligator. Thank you, Sir James. Thank you for the likes. Thank you. Thank you so much. I smile as in your spirit. Your eyes smile at me too. Derek. Sir Derek. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the likes. Hi, Aman. Thank you. Thank you so much the likes. Thank you sa nag-likes. Thank you so much. Hello. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I am from Philippines. How about you? Can I get the like? Thank you so much. Oh my God. Ang kulit. Yeah, it's missing. I've always liked you, but I back off after you were going to be married. Thank you for the likes, Sir Derek. Thank you so much for the like. Back off after you were getting married. Sorry, I'm back out maybe. I mean, I still like you. Thank you, Sir Derek. Emotional the price. Huh? What do you mean? I'm priceless. Good to see you, Cheryl. Like 12. Thank you for the likes, Sir Pat. Thank you so much. Daniel Bassett. Hello. Marshall just stopped by Regis stream. Huh? Marshall just stopped by Regis stream. Reggie? I don't know Reggie. What are you talking about? Thank you, Sir Pat, for dropping by and hit the likes. Thank you so much. Shooter. I don't know what do you mean. I don't know what are you talking about. Excuse me. Thank you so much for those. Hello, Miss Cheryl. Are you in the Philippines this country? Yes, I'm here in the Philippines. I'm living here in the Philippines. Sir Mark Calvin Magdayo. Thank you for joining. Thank you to those who hit the likes. Thank you so much. I'm going to the casino later. Will you be my good luck? Good luck, Sir Derek Johns. Hope you win. And yes, you will win $1 million. Hope you win, Sir Derek. God bless. Hi, Jose. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, guys. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Good evening to you. I will share with you when I win. Really? Thank you, Sir Derek. Hope you win. Hope you win and you will get rich. Thank you for joining. Where are you from? I'm from Colombia. I'm from Philippines, Diego. I'm living here in the Philippines. Thank you, Sir Garrison. Hope you will win. Hope you win. Ma'am Cheryl, you're married? I'm getting married soon. I'm getting married pretty soon. We will be wealthy together. Sir Derek Jones, if you are wealthy, maybe you need to share your blessings. It's for the helping the poor people, something like that. And maybe you will find the partner and you will cherish your church together, something like that. Don't worry about me. Someone taking care of you. Beautiful you are, gorgeous skin princess. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Sir Derek Jones. Sir Steve, hi. Oh, you nice. You so nice. Be happy. Thank you. How many years ago I married you? Not yet married, but I'm getting married pretty soon. I'm getting married soon. Thank you so much for the likes. So, I want it. I want to make it really delicious. Angel Castro. Hi, Bang. Thank you to those who hit the likes. Thank you so much. Thank you to those who sending heart. Thank you so much. God bless you. What happens before I invite you before wedding? Huh? What happens before I invite you before wedding? What happens? What? I always share my blessings. I volunteer for all kinds of causes because at one point in my life, I was one of the unfortunate and forgotten. Oh, you're so kind, Sir Derek Jones. Here I'm the one volunteer, community volunteer here, even if that's why if I have just a little blessings from I receive, I will share. So that's why helping others, most to deserve people, most of the people deserve the help. It's really feel like we call it happiness and joy for me. So that's why you have a good heart, Sir Derek Jones, and I'm so proud of you. Keep going, keep helping something like that, because God knows everything you do, so something like that. God sees us whatever we do. So God knows if you're doing bad or you're doing something generous, kind to others. For me, I'm always choose kind, even it's some people trying to please me or something like that, and doing bad things for me. So just ignore, and then only positive vibes, something like that. Wish for you, Sir Derek Jones, you win, and then you have lots of people you help. Most deserving people need helps. Come with me. No. Hi, Robin Espinosa. Thank you so much, 45 people in the house. I'm not a religious person, but I feel that everyone has a calling. Yes, that's right. Me, I'm not always going to. I'm not. I'm not always on the church, but I know. But I'm always pray because I know what is good and I know what is bad. For me, doing bad is not good, so something like that. I'm always choose to be kind, most to the kind people. But if someone to those makes me mad or something do bad things to me, I keep distance and I ignore them. I will let God uh, some do things for them. So hope we didn't experience something like a punishment. What if we do bad things to me and to the others, something like that. Ate Meryl, sweetheart, huh? Love, don't pay attention to Twitter, just stay blessed always. So thank you, Mystic Mirage. Thank you so much. Yeah, I ignore my haters and the basher because I don't understand why people say bad things for me like who I am. They don't even know who I am. Most here, why I live here in the Philippines. So I'm always forget, but never forget something like that. So I always choose to just always ignore and do the and I continue what my advocacy and like advocacy is just like I have when I work here as a community volunteer community here, so I see the community when people needs help, but I always trying. If I'm not rich, I do something. I'm nothing. I'm also poor, not too much poor, but I can eat enough. But if I have something like a little bit more, I'm always sharing. I'm always giving. That's my personality. Even I have not enough for me and for the future. But I'm always asking God that that always provides something. I feel what is your I'm a Christian, Catholic. Thank you, Mystic Mirage. Just my haters is like something like temptation, just trying to piss you off, trying to piss you off, trying to make you something like that. They are just like an idol, like someone like want they want you to make you also the bad things. So that's why you need to learn to pray. Just hope that you need to do bad things because bad people create the evils. Are you married? I'm getting married pretty soon. Yes. Oh, nice. God's Catholic. Yes, I'm a Christian. I'm a Catholic. I have a mosquito bite. Oh my god. Oh, mosquito bite. God, a lot. Mosquito bites. Thank you to those who hit the likes. Thank you so much. I'm not Meryl, I'm Cheryl. Like, Ate Meryl, I'll like invite you my church. I'm Christian, I'm Catholic. Spider bats or mosquito bites. This is some mosquito bites. Mosquito bites. Itching. Itching. Itching, something like. Sorry, my feet is for all churches are good, so but my feet is only for I'm a Christian essence for my god, mosquito like your sweet skin. Yeah, maybe something like that. They likes my blood. Maybe my blood is sweet, something like that. Thank you so much for the 56 people watching. What happened to your skin? Mosquito bites. Oh, look, the mosquito bites. A lot of mosquito bites. One. Yes. I have a lot of mosquito bites. After midnight, to them attack mosquito bite just for. I've been bitten by a snake. Yeah, you need to one for the venom. You need to set for the venom. I almost died. Saliva from a snake. The venom it's very dangerous. It kills you. It can cause you venom from the snake. So that's why I need to be careful. Thank you to those who lurking, 30 people in the house. Babe, if you get a camphor in market, it works so good as mosquito repellent. Mix camphor and oil and apply it on your skin. Oh, really? Okay, I will try. Thank you, Mystic. Ate, protect to your body. Please close your jacket. Oh, thank you, Mark Kevin. Thank you for Kent Carpenter, 73 years old, marine biologist, shot dead in his home by 3 masked man in Philippines. Free for you. Huh? Who's that? Kent Carpenter. Wait, I need to search. Hi, my beautiful. Hey, Jose. How are you all doing there? I'm fine. What is that? Ken Carpenter. What happens, Ken Carpenter? Oh my god. You can do check on Google to confirm, but it's actually good for mosquito. Okay. Thank you, Mystic. Ken Carpenter. What happened? Oh my god. American marine biologist Sheryl Carpenter shot dead in Philippines. Oh my god. Partner of his slain U.S. marine biologist now among person of interest. Oh my goodness. What happened? Trending here on me. I was also chased by a big cat. I was trying to save my dog. Thank you, Mystic Mirage. Be careful, always be careful. May God bless you always. Thank you, Jose. Oh my God, his wife is Filipino living partner. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Martin's name is marine biologist and person of Empress. Tagbiliran City, Bohol. Oh my God. Have identified the lead as one of the person of interest in the Michigans. In the hospital shooting in Cebu and Sinai, everything was killed inside his home in Barangay in Cebu on Sunday. His two bodies were that of a person. Oh my God. Police are also looking into her claim that she was tied up. This is the trial I tried to say that. Oh my God. Investigators are also examining why the woman survived the attack. Why can't was killed? Oh, they say they are exploring the possibility of suspect may have known her, but stressed that being identified as a person of interest does not mean she is suspect or has been charged with any offense. According to investigators, the couple had been living together for about 6. Oh my God. That's why you need to be careful. Tumor along the Oriental State told reporters that investigators are closely examining the woman's account after inconsistencies emerged during the investigation. Oh my goodness. Early in the morning, wake up, going to kitchen, drink my hot water before I start my working. Okay, what is your work, Markham? It's serious. They are advising Americans to use caution if traveling to Philippines. I am not happy at the moment. Kent was a prominent man. Yes, it's serious. They are advising Americans to use caution if traveling. Oh my God. That's why I need to be. So serious, they are advising Americans to use closing and traveling to. But I'm not happy at the moment. Can yes. Oh my God. Hold on. Hello, guys. Yes, I'm sad about what happens to Sir Camp Carpenter. Oh my God. What do you call this? What is his name? Camp Carpenter. Oh my god, it's like I need to be careful to trust someone. Good night. Sorry for bad news, but it angers me when a senior citizen is murdered in India. Yes, I'm I'm sorry for what happened to Sir Kent. So, oh my god. Driving mechanic. Yes, it's very sad, Sir James. Good night, Sir James. Thank you, Cheryl, for your time. Much appreciated. Thank you, Sir James. Thank you also for your time. God bless you, Sir James. Oh my God, it's sad for what happened, Sir Ken. Sir Ken, Carpenter. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you, Cheryl. Thank you, Sir. Hey, thank you so much again. Hi, Jollibee. Kuya Dre, welcome back. Oh my God. Thank you so much for joining. Sir Kuya Dre. Justice will be served my country in getting involved. Yeah, for the news, the Filipino wife is a person of interest, something like that. So I'm a Filipina and I know a lot of Filipina involved something like becoming a foreigner. Most American is a very generous American is a very one of the generous I meet men or people. So that's why even I'm a Filipina, so I'm not tolerating this kind of uh, something like that. So I will I will support getting the justice for Sam Kemp Carpenter. So even if having a Filipino, because the reporting, they didn't say that her she's a Filipino wife is a suspect, but it said that's a person of interest, something like that. So justice for Sir Kemp. So that's why. Well, yes, you know, Cash was in the house. Oh yeah. So that's why. That's why I. That's why, if someone the foreigner, it's a really bad it's a shame. That's a shame because a lot of foreigners, something like happens, bad experience to a Filipina. So that's why a lot of happens here in the Philippines because oh my God, it's terrible. It's a shame. So I'm hoping that that's the Filipina is like something like he's innocent. I hope. You know, I'm hoping, but of course, it's a part of investigation because they are living together. Something like this. I like my working okay, Mark. I'm not yet married, but I'm getting married pretty soon. I'm smart is typical scenario common like said the US is investigating we are besoted yes po. Yes sir James. Hope like again sir can get the justice. Oh my god. He's 73 years old and his wife is young, like 34 years old. So something like that. Oh. See you later. I'm going jogging. Peace and love. Thank you, Sir James. No need to date me because I'm engaged. Oh my god, I'm sad about what happened so I can't carpenter. I need to pause for answer. Oh my god. Thank you 16 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you 28 people in the house. Thank you so much. This hurts of Philippines economy on many levels. People need to come together and punish all criminals. Hard China would not tolerate this behavior. Yes, yes, boss Sir James. This hurts Philippine economy on many levels. People need to come together and punish all criminals. Hard China would not tolerate this behavior. Yes, boss Sir James. Can you do your hair ponytail, please? Travis. Oh my god. I'm worried about maybe because Oh my god. Spooky. Hello, Spooky. It's not good, no, bad, bad news about Stricken Carpenter. Oh my god. Hello. Cheryl. Hey guys. I don't know how to play Fortnite. What is that? No, I don't know. Oh my god. I'm busy. Why would we win? Yes, itching. Because mosquito bites, itching. Slipknot. Yes, itching po. Itching. You angry today or bad mood? Just bad mood. But I'm not angry. My God. Angry today or bad mood? Sir Caleb. Oh, thank you for the thumbs up. Oh, that's terrible. I hate when that happens. Ah. Yes, it's like having a mosquito bites. Also here, look. A lot. Itching. Thank you for the likes. I can tell that. Okay. Itching. Please be good. Yeah, I'm good. For the 19 people. Dahil mosquito bites. You need some calming lotion will help stop itching from the skin. Nano? Ha?
Si Gabriel turog na.
Turog na. Ah. Thank you so much. No available here that lotion. Maybe I will buy that lotion. Excuse me. What can we do so your mod get better? Oh my gosh. Thank you for the gap. Oh my god, thank you sa gap. Oh my god. Thank you sa gap, sir. What do you call? Slipknot. Hello, Sir Mark. Thank you sa gap, sir Slipknot. God bless you. Oh my God. Hello, everyone. At least it took your med off the itching for a second. Oh, thank you, Slipknot. Thank you so much. I'm fine, Sir Mark. I'm fine. I'm good. So you have a postponed marriage? Yeah. Yes. Because my father died last month, so that's good because of traditional and for the culture. So we move on next year, January. Postponed, so it will continue next year, January, something like that. Thank you, 20 people in the house. I'm getting married to someone. Dylan. It's a life commitment to take your time if needed. Yeah. Thank you, Slipknot. Well, okay, bye-bye. Go lang. Oh. Congrats. I'm happy for you. Thank you, Slipknot. Yes, thank you. When did you say the new date is? January. January. Move to January. Something like that. likes to see. No, not too far, yeah. Not too far. You will be married soon, less than 6 months away. Yep. I'm so excited because first time getting married. I'm excited. I'm sunrises. It's not February since it's Valentine's Day month. You can get rain flowers. Honestly, I'm not receive the flowers to do someone who like the boyfriend, the relationship, something like that. Even before, never experienced the flower. But during I got already the ring. You have a good man, yes, Sir Mark. Something like that. That makes sense. That makes sense. I just wanted to comment, bye, and say hello, please. Have a good night. Thank you, Mark. Thank you so much. Have a good night. I'm going to sleep with soon because I fell sleepy and we're going to the church tomorrow morning, early morning, so need to rest. You are still beautiful. Oh, thank you. I have to get back to work, but good seeing you enjoy your rest of your night. Thank you, Slipknot. Thank you for joining. God bless. I'm going to sleep in 2 minutes because I need to rest and I'll wake up too early tomorrow. Sounds fun. Enjoy tomorrow. Thank you, Slipknot. You are still very beautiful. You're still very beautiful. Thanks, guys. Thank you, guys, for joining my live streaming. God bless you. Bye. I'm sure I will see you soon. Okay, thank you, Jane. Thank you, Sir Mark. Thank you, Sir Mark. Thank you, 26 people in the house. Thanks a lot. I need to see bye because I need to go to sleep because I need to wake up so early. We were going to the church with my mother and my sister. Thank you so much. See you next live. Bye bye. Bye everyone.